In this video, we're going to talk about the art of thumbnail sketches. I'll share some techniques and examples of thumbnail sketches and explain the benefits of using them in your art. I often use thumbnail sketches to quickly capture the essence of a subject or an idea. And a thumbnail sketch is simply just a drawing that represents the key features of a subject without trying to be detailed or precise. To create a thumbnail sketch, I use a few simple techniques that allow me to quickly capture the essence of a subject without spending too much time on details. These techniques include using basic shapes. I'll start by identifying the basic shapes that make up the subject, such as circles, squares, triangles, and I'll look at negative space and positive space for these shapes. I then use these shapes to construct a simple and recognizable representation of the subject or idea. Second, use gestural lines. I use lines to suggest the movement, form, and structure of the subject. These lines can be loose and spontaneous or more controlled and refined depending on the subject and my intention. Third, using value contrast. I use shading or other value contrast to create a sense of depth, volume, and structure in the sketch. I try to keep the values simple and limited to avoid overcomplicating the sketch. And by using these techniques, I can create a thumbnail sketch that captures the essence of a subject in just a few minutes. I find that this approach is faster and more flexible than trying to create a detailed and accurate drawing, and it allows me to explore different ideas and compositions quickly. One of the techniques that I use for creating thumbnail sketches is gesture drawing. Gesture drawing is a technique for quickly capturing the motion, form, and expression of a subject by using loose and spontaneous lines. It is a valuable tool for improving observation skills, for capturing the essence of a subject, and for creating dynamic and expressive drawings. I find that thumbnail sketches are like gesture drawings, but for something that I am imagining or inventing rather than something that I'm observing. When I gesture draw, I look at a subject and try to capture its overall feel and look in just a few lines. Generally, I use gestural lines to represent the key features and qualities of a subject without trying to be detailed or accurate. By using gesture drawing and thumbnail sketching together, I can develop my visual thinking and problem-solving skills, and I can create more dynamic and expressive drawings and sketches. I find that these techniques help me to explore and develop my ideas more effectively and to communicate my vision more clearly. And there's actually a ton of benefits for using thumbnail sketches. First, thumbnail sketches are faster and more flexible than detailed drawings. Thumbnail sketches are quick and easy to create, and they allow you to explore and experiment with different ideas and compositions without spending too much time on details. Second, it helps to explore different ideas and compositions. By using thumbnail sketches, you can try out different ideas and compositions quickly and easily, and you can see which ones work best. This can help you find the best solution to a problem or the best way to represent a subject. Third, it can be used as a starting point for further refinement. Thumbnail sketches are rough and simplified, but they can be useful as a starting point for more detailed and refined drawings. You can use them as a basis for further exploration and development, and you can use them to communicate your ideas to others in an easy way, depending on if, for example, say you're a storyboard artist and you're communicating with a director or the storyboard team, or you're making a mural and you're doing thumbnail sketches and you're showing a client. Also, thumbnail sketches improve your observation skills. By using thumbnail sketches to capture whatever it is you're trying to create, a subject or an idea, you can improve your ability to observe and analyze the key features and qualities of that subject. This can help you create a more accurate and realistic drawing ability over time. And also, like I said, it facilitates collaboration. Thumbnail sketches are a simple and universal language that can be used to communicate with others. By using thumbnail sketches, you can share your ideas with others easily, and you can work together to develop and refine your ideas. Overall, they enhance your creativity. By using thumbnail sketches, you can really unleash your imagination and explore different ideas and compositions freely. You can combine different ideas in different unexpected ways. This can help you generate new and original ideas and to create more dynamic and expressive drawings. Using a ballpoint pen is great for thumbnail sketches because it has a few unique qualities that make it well suited for this purpose. First, a ballpoint pen is non-erasable, which means that I cannot erase lines that I make with it. This forces me to commit to my lines and move forward with my ideas without the option of undoing or correcting my mistakes. This allows me to build up my sketch gradually and to create more complex and detailed compositions based on my thumbnail sketches later. And by using ballpoint pens for thumbnail sketches, I can create quick and spontaneous drawings that capture the essence of a subject in just a few lines. And it allows me to get a little more detailed if I choose to. I find that this approach helps me to explore and develop my ideas more effectively and to communicate my vision more clearly. I also find that using a ballpoint pen, it challenges me to be more creative and confident and to take risks and make bolder decisions as I'm thumbnailing. As I mentioned earlier, thumbnail sketches are a valuable tool for visual thinking and problem solving. They allow you to quickly capture a subject or an idea and to explore and develop it in a simple and flexible way. However, an idea means nothing unless it's actually expressed somewhere, and this is where thumbnail sketches can be especially valuable. By using thumbnail sketches, you can express your ideas in a visual and concrete way. And a lot of times your thumbnail sketches are the first iteration of an idea. For example, you can thumbnail key scenes from a film idea. You can thumbnail sketch every page of a children's book idea. You can thumbnail sketch a series of paintings that you want to make. Or you can thumbnail sketch quick storyboards for an entire feature film if that's what you want to make. This allows you to see your ideas in a new and different way and to evaluate them more objectively as soon as you make these sketches. It also allows you to share your ideas with others and to receive feedback and suggestions from them. I find that using thumbnail sketches to express my ideas is a valuable and often rewarding experience. It helps me think more clearly and creatively and to communicate my vision more effectively. It also helps me to overcome my fear of failure and to take the first steps towards realizing ideas. So I encourage you to try using thumbnail sketches as often as possible to express your own ideas and to see how they can help you develop and grow as a visual thinker and artist. Thanks for watching the video, and hit like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thanks.